Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to delete a message for everyone from a group on the Telegram app on your PC using the latest update. This is a handy way to remove a message not just from your view, but from all group members' chats. First, launch the Telegram app on your computer and log in if needed. Once you're in, open the group chat where the message you want to delete is located. Next, scroll to find that specific message. When you find it, hover your mouse over the message, then right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Delete Message. After you click it, a pop-up window will show up asking you to confirm the deletion. In this pop-up, make sure to check the option that says Also Delete For, or a similar phrase that indicates deleting the message for everyone in the group. This step is crucial because it ensures the message disappears from the view of all group members, not just yours. Finally, click the Delete button to confirm. The message will then be permanently removed for everyone in the group chat. Remove sensitive information, or just tidy the conversation smoothly across all participants. Remember, once the message is deleted for everyone, it cannot be undone. So, double-check before you confirm. By following these simple steps, you can effectively manage your Telegram group messages and keep your group chats organized and private. Enjoy a more controlled and clutter-free chatting experience on Telegram.